Welcome to City Grillin'. My name is Ron Bohr, and in this episode, I'm going to do lamb chops. I've done a lamb chop video before, but I'm going to do another one just because I'm going to change up the recipe just slightly a little bit. When you do lamb chops, clean them off really good. I bought some nice thick lamb chops here, and the first thing I'm going to do is put about maybe 2 tablespoons of oil in there, olive oil, just like that. And then I'm going to add some rosemary. I've already chopped this up, finally chopped it up, sprinkle that inside of there just like that. I also have some fresh garlic, several cloves that I've minced up. I'm just going to place the garlic in there as well. Get it in there real nice. And then what I'm going to really change it up with is this Simply Seasoning. It's finally on the market. The ladies that have invented this, it's very good. So I'm going to use this as my overall seasoning. That's not, of course, that's what the label looks like. I've just got it in another container here, but it's really good. So I've done it on vegetables already, but I thought this is going to taste excellent on lamb chops. So I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle, a fair amount inside of here. I might have to sprinkle some more in, and then maybe add a little black pepper as well to this mix, and maybe just a slight bit of salt. There's no salt in this seasoning, and with the lamb chops, I think you just need a little bit of salt to go with it. And so I'm going to add just a little more oil here, not much. And then take my spoon. I'm just going to mix this all together inside of this pan here. Just make sure it's all mixed up well. And so then what I'm going to do is take my lamb chops, kind of stick it in here, rub it around in this seasoning, just like so, right? And then just place it in there and get another one, mix it all over on that lamb chop, like so. Make some room here for the other ones. And I'll go ahead and finish the rest of these. Again, just coating them all in here real nice and good, just like that. And what you can do then is put this in the refrigerator. You could put it overnight, but really an hour will work. Maybe a couple hours will be fine. And I'm just gonna leave it in for about an hour, and then get the lamb chops out of the fridge and get them to room temperature, because I want these lamb chops to be at room temperature before I put them on the grill. So I'll finish this up, and then an hour or so later, we'll get ready to grill them. All right, I'm out of the grill. I brought the lamb chops out from the fridge about an hour after being in the fridge to get them to room temperature. I've got my grill lit. It's about 400 degrees right now. I have these burners on. I'm going to change this up a little bit because I already have olive oil on these lamb chops, which look beautiful right now, especially with that Simply Seasoned herb seasoning mix. That just looks great. So I'm not going to oil the grill grates this time, again, because I've got the olive oil on here. So I'll just go ahead and place them on the grates, just like this, and cook them for, I'm going to go with about 5-6 minutes here. I want to try to get them medium rare the best I can. If I get more, a little bit medium, that's fine too. I like it either way. Because these lamb chops, as you know, are delicious. I got to get a little bit more of this garlic blend off of here and onto that lamb chop right there. Just like that. I'll set my timer for 6 minutes and see how these cook. Okay, I'm out on the grill. It's been 5.5, almost 6 minutes now. So we're going to take a look at these lamb chops. I'm just going to flip them over. Oh, that's looking beautiful. I can tell you can squeeze a little bit. That's perfect. Little grill strips on there. Looking good. If I see any hot spots, maybe like that one, I might move some of these guys around a little bit. Just put them on here, spin them, and cook them again for another, at least another 5 minutes, I'm sure. Maybe 5.5, 6 minutes. And that's going to be really good. That looks beautiful already. It smells wonderful. Okay, been another 5.5, 6 minutes. These lamb chops look beautiful. So I'll put them on my plate here, and I'm going to do a little squeeze test. You can squeeze them, and you feel that it's a little medium rare. That's perfect. That's what I want. I'm going to let these rest inside for about 5 minutes, tin them up. I'll show you that here in just a minute. Just like I did before. Oh, some of that garlic falls off, man. I love that garlic on there. I can't wait to taste these. All right, we're inside. I brought in the lamb chops. I'm just putting some aluminum foil on this, basically to tin it up, just like so, about 5 minutes, and then we'll get ready to eat. We're inside. It's been a good 5 minutes. Check out these lamb chops. Those look beautiful. And with this seasoning, I bet they're gonna taste magnificent. So I'm just gonna grab one of these. I don't know what, I guess I want a big one here. I'm gonna put it on my plate, give it a little try here. I've got some asparagus I just made on the grill, some new potatoes in the air fryer. I'll have to do a video on that one. So I'm just gonna take this nice little fillet part of that lamb chop, give it a try. Oh yeah. The Simply seasoning just kicks us up to another level. You know, you can use the rosemary, I can taste it, plus the seasoning. It gives it a little, just an extra flavor. You just can't get it anywhere else. So I'd highly recommend it. You can click on the link below to get to the Simply seasoning site to order it. Try the recipe, check it out. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and get the recipe at citygrill.com. Thanks, bye.